Hey guys, and thanks for joining today. We are taking a look at the 2Fiddy from Ummagawd, designed by Tommy, a sub 250 5-inch freestyle quad. Even though it is originally designed to be sub 250, I fly a lot above waters and therefore adding return to home capabilities with a GPS module, which brings me over 250, but that leaves room then to add bigger batteries since I'm anyways over 250 and being a bit free to play a little bit with the weight. But the performance itself from the power to weight ratio is really great, and I'm really looking forward to try this quad out since it's kind of promising from the specs how it flies. We will see. We will take it out for maiden flight in the next video. In this video I will talk about how it's coming in the box and what modifications we are doing to it. Let's roll the intro. Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we are taking a look at the 2Fiddy, and right out of the box it makes a great impression. However, the mounts for holding it in the box during shipping ripped right out, and I had some concerns if it maybe got damaged, but that was fortunately not the case. So the build quality is really good and the first impression is great. So all good there. The motors also are designed and influenced heavily by Tommy from Ummagawd, and the rotational mass, for example, was reduced by cutting in the little openings in the bell to reduce rotational mass. Also, the shaft of the mount for the propeller itself was shortened to keep the weight low. So all really good things. On paper, really promising that the power to weight ratio is great and that performs nice. I was really lucky to order the 2Fiddy at a time where the DJI camera was still available with the CAT-X Vista, which is not anymore the case, and the part shortage doesn't make anything easier. Hopefully that changes anytime soon. So I'm adding here a GPS module for return to home functionality, and that makes 5 plus cabling 6 grams. I went here for a very light GPS module and not the one from Brain FPV, since that would have been a little bit overkill considering the overall low weight of the 2Fiddy. Then we are adding another mount for the Insta360 Go version 2 where I'm shooting with, and then we are all set and done for getting the maiden flight in the next video. As always guys, thanks for watching, have a great rest of the day, stay safe and see you in the next one.